Do you ever feel like you're doing everything right, yet something still feels off? Maybe it's that lingering anxiety, constant lack of focus, or even those nagging aches you can't seem to shake off. What if the answer is within you, within your energy centers? Let's dive into the world of chakra balancing for beginners. I'll share how aligning your chakras can bring you balance and clarity to your life as a wellness entrepreneur. With easy tips and techniques, you can start today. Hi, I'm Patricia from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for wellness entrepreneurs. If that's you, continue watching. If you've thought about making changes in the new year and you've been putting it off, this is your chance to start laying out the foundation. Let's start with the basics. Chakras are like energy centers along your spine, each controlling different aspects of your health, both physical and emotional. Imagine them as 7 points, from feeling grounded and safe, which is the root chakra, all the way to feeling deeply connected to the universe, your crown chakra. The root chakra, Muladhara, stability and security. The sacral chakra, or Svatisthana, creativity and sexual energy. Solar plex chakra, confidence and willpower. The heart chakra, love and empathy. Throat chakra, communication and truth. Third eye chakra, intuition and clarity. Crown chakra, spiritual connection and enlightenment. When I first learned about chakras, I was struggling with confidence. But by focusing on my solar plex chakra, I noticed a huge shift in how I showed up in my business and daily life. Now that you know what chakras are, let's talk about how you can spot when they're out of balance, because recognizing the problem is the first step to fixing it. So, how do you know if your chakras are out of balance? Think of chakras like Wi-Fi signals in your body. When they're strong, everything flows. But when they're weak or blocked, well, we all know what happens when the Wi-Fi drops, right? Here are some common signs you might notice. Root chakra, anxiety and feeling insecure. Sacral chakra, creative blocks or low energy. Solar plex chakra, lack of motivation or you have digestive issues. Heart chakra, difficulty in connecting with others. Throat chakra, trouble speaking your truth. Third eye chakra, difficulty in making decisions. Crown chakra, feeling disconnected spiritually. Ever feel like you're constantly worried about money no matter what you do? That might be your root chakra asking for some attention. Or maybe you're struggling to express yourself at work or in relationships. That could be your throat chakra calling out. Why should you care about balancing your chakras? Here's what you can expect. Better physical health, think better sleep, improved digestion, and a stronger immune system. Emotional and mental clarity. Gain a greater sense of calm and self-acceptance. Spiritual growth, feeling more in tune with your intuition and a stronger sense of purpose. After focusing on my heart chakra, I noticed a shift in my relationship with myself and others. And I felt more open to connecting with clients on a deeper level. Now let's get into the fun part, how you can actually balance your chakras. Meditation. Visualize each chakra as a spinning light during meditation. Breathwork. Try alternative nostril breathing for a quick energy boost. Yoga. Use poses like tree pose for grounding or fish pose for opening the heart chakra. Sound therapy. Play binaural beats or use a singing bowl to clear energy. Crystals. Place rose quartz crystals on your heart during meditation or wear it in a pocket close to your heart, or when you're lying down, put it on your heart. Aromatherapy, lavender oil for the crown chakra, peppermint for the throat chakra, or ylang ylang for the heart. Or use lavender oil before going to bed to calm your crown chakra for better sleep. Do you want to make a chakra balancing a part of your daily life? Here's a simple routine you can follow. Start with just 5 minutes each morning. Close your eyes and visualize each chakra lighting up one by one. Later, take 2 minutes at lunch for a breathing exercise or do a quick stretch. Before bedtime, spend 10 minutes with your favorite crystals or a gentle yoga stretch or a journaling session. Simple, right? Try this for a week and let me know in the comments below how you feel. I'd love to hear about your experiences. To make this journey even easier, here are some tools I recommend. Books: The Chakra Bible by Patricia, Mercier, Wheels of Life by Anodea, Judith. Apps: Insight Timer for guided chakra meditation. Courses: check out Gaia for in-depth courses on energy healing. Hey, I get it. Sometimes you want results now. But remember, rushing through your meditation is like chugging green smoothie, hoping it instantly solves everything. Take it slow. Avoid doing too much too soon. Start small, not staying consistent. A little every day is better than none at all. Another thing that you might be doing is thinking you need expensive equipment. You don't need fancy crystals or oils to get started. Avoid being impatient. Healing is a gradual process. Be patient and persistent. As a wellness entrepreneur, imagine how offering chakra balancing can set you apart. It's a unique service that not only attracts clients, but also keeps them coming back because they'll feel the difference. Offer chakra balancing sessions to your existing customers or create new packages. Create content around chakra healing to attract clients. Educate your clients. Offer workshops or free resources to help clients understand chakra balancing. Balancing your chakras can profoundly impact your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can enhance both your personal and professional life. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Until next time, keep shining bright, and I'll see you in the next video.